Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So Redbox, will it squeeze next week? And what's some ideal key levels to start dollar cost averaging in as it starts to pull back a bit before the next leg, guys? So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. And you know, a couple people was asking what's some nice buy-in prices that I'll be looking for. So I will share this in that video for the ones that was wondering, guys. So Redbox, we know everyone's pumped, everyone's excited, everyone's, you know, can't wait for Monday to get involved with this Redbox play. We was already involved in Redbox at around the $4 range. Let's go ahead and put that out there for everybody, for the haters that be in the video. Oh, you late, you just now want to talk about Redbox because it's doing this, it's doing that. Ain't nobody want to hear that. You know what I mean? But anyways, guys, like I told you guys, get ready because it's already happening. Everybody already hopping on the bandwagon. We already know how everybody like to do. Like I told you guys, when I talked about Redbox 3 weeks ago, guess what people were saying? Ah, it's worthless. This play ain't nothing. They this, that, and the third. Now, all of a sudden, everybody mood change. Of course we buying Redbox. We holding Redbox forever. It's just, I gotta talk about that because it's just crazy how the atmosphere changed in only 14 days. But like we know, guys, people don't like to buy anything until they see traction, until they see it running up. They'll chase all day long at this $13-14 level, and best believe it's going to come down. It's going to come down hard. Not saying that it's not going to continue to run, because from the looks of it, this thing looking like it's ready to blow. And especially if the overall market continue to get hammered on next week, judging by the CPI inflation data coming in very hot on Friday and selling the market off on Thursday and then further selling it off on Friday, I can definitely expect, if the market want to continue to come down on Monday, Redbox is going to soar, guys. So like I told you guys, Redbox is running on the opposite frequency of the market. So if you see the market starts to pick back up and go green, you definitely want to get out of Redbox, because you can take your profits if you already in, or if you ain't in, you're going to get in at a very, very cheap price, being for the fact of how hard it's going to tumble if the market starts to skyrocket. But if the market is still looking ugly, it's still looking bad, it's still coming down, then Redbox is definitely need to be on the top of your list, your watch list, guys, because that thing is going to move, and it's going to move hard. So on Friday, I told you guys some important key levels that we was watching for Redbox as far as the breakout points. One was at $13.30, the other one was at $13.90. We see on Friday we broke through both resistance points, guys, breaking through $13.90, running as high as $14.70, almost touching 15, guys, right around our next resistance point, which will be at $15.85, before we see a crazy increase in price action, you know, $4 or $5 after breaking that $15.85, guys. So now let's talk about the key levels that we'll be looking for to actually start buying Redbox, guys, because I bought about 2 weeks ago in the $4 range. I made $2,000 off of it, 100% return, as it went up to like 5 and some change, and it was call options. Some may wonder how you bought it at 4 and it went to 5 and you made 100%. That's how options work. It's stocks on steroids. So anyways, guys, but you got to be very careful, because it can definitely, you know, take a lot of money from you if you're not meticulous and, you know, play it, you know, with strategy. So anyways, guys, the main levels I'll be looking for with Redbox on Monday is, the first level would be between the low 12s, right around $11.99 and $12.50. That's the first levels it will come down to, and you could start, you know, adding in at dollar cost averaging in. But the level I really will be looking for and looking forward to, hoping it will happen, is $9.50, right around $9.50, the high $8 range.